Hello crafty friend! For this card I will be using the fairy friends, gnome, hive, Gleeful Gardens, Dandy Day, and the bug deal stamps and dice. You can find the list of supplies linked below. First, I stamped the images onto Nina Solar White cardstock using jet black ink and my Misty. I stamped them twice because I need 2 pieces of each image. After stamping, I heat set the ink with my heat gun. Now it's coloring time. These are the copy color combos I am using on the stamp images. Feel free to check back here anytime for the color reference. Now I will put some music for the coloring process and I will be back soon. The next step is adding highlights. I use a white pigment pen to create highlights on the images. When it was done, I cut them out with their matching dice off camera to save you a little time. Here are the little groups I will use for the pattern background. For the background, I will use a beautiful light turquoise cardstock from the favorite flannel 6x6 inch petite paper pack. I just need to get a symmetric cut, so I mark it with a pencil and cut a 5.5 by 4.25 inch sheet of card front. Now I mark the centers of the main frames. This will help me not to lose the symmetry. Next, I am adhering the card front to the card base with a glue tube. And now the frame pattern designing can be started. the images, I put a few white dots to make it cuter. When the main frames are done, I will follow the pattern. As you can see, the pattern continues in checkerboard fashion. When the pattern is completed, I stamped a happy birthday sentiment from the gnome stamp set with jet black ink onto a white piece of cardstock, which I added to the center of the card with 3D foam squares. I got some leftovers colored images, so I added them to the center of my card and embellished with a black pen. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!